Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Apache Kafka with Docker for streaming analytics step by step clearly. First, ensure Docker is installed on your machine. Open a terminal window. Pull the latest Apache Kafka Docker image by executing the command. Use the command docker pull confluentinc/cp Kafka. Next, create a Docker network for the Kafka containers. Run the command docker network create Kafka network. Now, create a Zookeeper container, as it is required for Kafka. Use the command docker run dname equals Zookeeper network equals Kafka network p2181:2181 confluentinc/cp Zookeeper. Wait a moment for the Zookeeper container to initialize. Now, we will start the Kafka container. Run the command docker run dname equals Kafka network p9092:9092 Kafka_Zookeeper. At this point, Kafka should be running. Verify its status by checking the logs of the Kafka container. Use the command docker logs Kafka. Now, create a topic to test your Kafka setup. Execute the command docker exec at Kafka topics create topic test topic bootstrap server Kafka 9092 partitions 1 replication factor 1. Confirm the topic was created successfully. To verify, run docker exec at Kafka topics list bootstrap server Kafka 9092. Set up a Kafka producer to send messages to the topic. Execute the command docker exec at Kafka console producer topic test topic bootstrap server Kafka 9092. Type a few messages in the console and hit enter to send them. Next, open another terminal window for the consumer. Run the command docker exec at Kafka console consumer topic test topic bootstrap server Kafka 9092 from beginning. You should see the messages you sent earlier appear in the consumer. Finally, clean up by stopping and removing the containers. Use the command docker stop Kafka Zookeeper. Then remove them with docker rm Kafka Zookeeper. You have successfully installed Kafka with Docker for streaming analytics. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.